When using the battery charger, plug it into the wall and put the battery into location. The first battery installed could be in either location, but I'm placing it in the rear. As we place it in, you'll see that the battery in need of a charge will stay yellow, and the second battery, which has been charged previously, will flash yellow, saying that it's charging. The LEDs flash green for power on, solid yellow for waiting, charging flashing yellow, charged will be green, which we see for battery 2 in the rear here. A fault and an overheat condition are indicated by red LEDs. Batteries can remain in the charger until they're charged and stored there until they're needed for use.